If your modern world looks like a tech wonderland, thank the Industrial Revolution. Kicking off in the late 18th century, the Industrial Revolution was a game changer. Think steam engines, mechanized production, and factories sprouting like mushrooms. It was an era of explosive economic growth and urbanization, transforming sleepy towns into bustling industrial hubs. But it wasn't just about machines and money. Social changes swept through societies too. Factories became the new workplace, altering labor practices and living conditions. Suddenly, people were leaving farms for factory jobs, creating a whole new urban workforce. This revolution wasn't just a blip on the historical radar. It laid the groundwork for our modern industrial societies and set the stage for the tech-driven world we live in today. From the gadgets in our pockets to the skyscrapers in our cities, the Industrial Revolution's legacy is all around us. So next time you flip a switch or hop on a train, remember, you've got the Industrial Revolution to thank. Stay curious, history buffs.